You will see in the CBD there in Johannesburg who are there. I'm not even talking about our neighbors, but anyway, we are in big shit.
But network working.
I'm pausing. And my man, my network is okay, 100%.
No, I thought it was my
No.
network.
Okay, but let me do formalities. Good morning, guys. Sianbona, Tabelani, Dumelang, Ashen. Tobe.
What the heck is Sanibona? What the heck is that Sanibona, guys?
Lani salibona.
Siyabonga, yeah, you tried. Siyabonga.
Mhlekazi mina ngumXhosa. Andizazi zonke language, but ngihlala lapha eGoli, ndiyazama. So ke beningazukwazi ukuthi ndibe 100% ndithethe ilwimi lakho. You understand?
Yeah, kodwa la abashayela amateki bazothi awukhulumi kahle ndoda, awukhulumi kahle.
No, andikhulumi tata, mina ndiyathetha. Andikhulumi. Mina ndiyathetha. Andikhulumi mina xa ndikhuluma, that means ufune ndithethe isiZulu. So mina ndiyathetha andikhulumi.
Teksi ukwehlisa ke tata.
Sana zingaphi izilimela zakho?
Iteksi ndoda ngeke ugibele.
Izilimela zami uzawuzenzani wena zitshe nini kuwe mhlekazi? Wonibuza izilimela zami ko TikTok. Hey, ayithethwa lo nto.
Habe ngidlalisa mqwathi man.
Akungcono
Ngidlalisa bendituthi. Kunalama zayizaya abasonawo.
That nje.
Yeah, guys, I want to prompt you.
Is two Tanzan.
What was on the end table, which is probably its own kind of sin.
Mrs. Kool-Aid.
And you know, it happened in this khathi esiningi mangibuza umuntu akhulume then sithi ndithi ke khawusithuthe athi hayi mina tata ndibuye ezimu. Hayi mina
Unzalo lo uyangena ndithi mina azithuthe. 3.
but uyayazi mama akhona amaXhosa ezimu. Ama ezimu akhona amaXhosa.
We akhona amaXhosa eZimbabwe. Mina I'm working in the health department ne. Kunalo siso umXhosa uthethe isiXhosa kodwa xa umbheka nje is a full blown Zimbabwean. Imbuze ukuthi hayi wena why uthethe isiXhosa athi ndingumXhosa waseZimbabwe. So do not be fooled guys. Bakhona amaXhosa, bakhona amavenda.
I was very shocked.
Recently I saw a venda guy.
Around 2
I saw a venda.
Siswam. Uyayibona i-accent yiva xa ungumXhosa. Uyayiva i-accent yakhona ukuthi umuntu uthetha kanjani nama ihlanganisa amagama wakhe izakhe njengoba ekhuluma nawe umbone bana lo ngowakwamthwakazi lo hayi ngowa original ngowa uyavakala umuntu mapha emlonyeni.
But kunegama abangalaziyo. Ubobava xa bebiza against bathi against okanye bathi biningingi.
It's like uRobert
Bake manje
people.
leyo yase KZN ibiningini
But against ngwaseZimbabwe bakwazi ukuthi against bathi against.
Ekazuma even
It's like
English.
uRobert. It's like uRobert uthi makabiza uRobert uzathi Robert.
Kunale elinye igama
U-R wakhona.
against mabethe against bathi against bathi against and uyazini labantu laba noma bangakhuluma njengathi abafani nathi guys, that abafani nathi abanuki njengathi abafani nathi bangayikhuluma yonke into kodwa there's one thing mina umuntu wakhona ngimbona aseza umuntu wase-Africa amadoda akhona amafishane amadegoloshi.
Kodwa siswam let me differ with you there. Uyazi mina ndifunde nabe UCT back home in Cape Town. and we sasingena isonto sonke. They are more or less like us. Sencho bakhona bangena smelling. Sencho the professional guys. Even the Shonas iskakhulu was a Shonas. They were the Shonas, but you can see them.
Hayi bayasibulala mina ngisebenze ne-one of them inese eziyenza ukuthi umuntu wala
Mqwathi
bengisebenza nomuntu nese aziyenza ukuthi umuntu wala ezikrima emva kwamadlebe la uyayibona amadlebe agree ukuthi lo muntu akuse amadololwane indololwane zimunyama be isandla sakhe asifani nobuso uyababona abafani nathi labantu they are faking.
Uyaphi wena?
Nna ke Mopedi wena o buya kae?
Oh, okay. No.
Wena o buya
no, kaloku sesiwami. I could be wrong.
Umputsa phasa ngispe. Umputsa phasa ngispecial.
Ubuziwe.
Ngibuya ko Limpopo.
No, ngibuye Google it Cape Town.
Yakhuluma abantu basezimba
kulokufana nani.
Okay ke.
Okanye ngakulo uyambona uzizikodo uhlala lani ngasepha ngase uya ngasestation setrain le station park then uButhoni yengeni sikwistrato esi1 plus nomcebishi squash 3 streets behind my one. Yes, phangase sport complex Buthoni NY1 Malunga Park then Omna on the other side.
Alright ukungibuza bhuti yazi labantu laba lo nurse lo ngikhuluma ukuthi bengisebenza naye makuthiwa abantu bekhuluma ukuthi hey nali Zimbabwe athi makuyilabo and she's one of them acanga ukuthi she's fooling us because we are not.
Yeah, and then originally our roots are from Eastern Cape.
They hate themselves so much that
roots
laba bafuna ukuthi befane nani abafuna ukuthi befane nani basuke bengamakhaya
emaseleni.
Because there is nothing special ngokuthi ngibe umsho.
Usho kanjani?
Unzalo
there's nothing
special ukuthi azithuthe guys. So bakhulile lapha ekhoneni. Ake
Uzingelwa sisi.
Not one of us.
Anithi silalela uzingelwa.
Ngithi there is nothing special kanti yini special.
Uzingelwa uyakhuluma uthini?
Ngiyanibingelela. Ngithi yini special kanti ngokuba umZulu lazwakala nje la.
Siyakubingelela nawe.
Asifani lana linjani lini?
Hayi lingafani nathi asifuna ukufana lana.
Asifune vele lalela ke.
Linjani lina?
Yeah. Vele asifuni vele ukufana nani.
Kwathi kama ngingwali mic
Mangabe guys Amara.
Asifuni vele ukufana nani.
Okay, ngena sabuza bamba kancane. I-host ifuna ukuengage. I-host ukuengage over. Can everybody please mute?
Asifuni vele ukufana nani ngoba yonke into elikhulumayo lana is about Zimbabwe this Zimbabwe that. Nathi asifuni ukufana nani.
Yeah, hambane ekini ke anifuna ukuye
othe ngikhuluma nawe manje inkini ngubani? Ubani othe inkini mina?
Biza abantu bakini ke.
Othe ngikini mina ubani?
Angikhuluma ngawo.
I-TikTok i-TikTok yini? I-TikTok South Africa wena.
Hey, calm down wena, calm down.
Wena. Liyazosibhedela nalala.
Yazi ukuthi you are oh my goodness. It's Sunday. Guys, 9 o'clock we are taking offering. Just a reminder. It's a joke. It's a joke, guys. Like it's a joke. I'm just joking. At 9 o'clock we are taking offering just to ignore this nincompoop here. You know guys, we have to be honest. And these people don't know how to direct their anger. They don't know. They have so much anger in them that the best place to direct it is to South Africans. They would never direct it where it should go. We're not the one who failed your country. We're not the one who destroyed things in your country. We're not the one who pillaged your country. We're not the one who undermined your human rights in your own country. We're not the one who chased Muzungu out in your own countries. We're not the one who made sure that you don't have running water, you don't have streets. We're not the one who allowed Chinese to come into your country and destroy it. Destroying churches, unaliving people, then the best punishment they are given is them to give the family cows, a cow, a life for a cow. We're not the ones. We are not the one who voted Mugabe. We are not the ones, basically. It's not us. You have so much anger, but your anger is directed in wrong places. Asifunu fana nani, asifunu fana nani. But you are so much invested in our affairs. You are in our panel trying to explain yourself. If really you did not care, why are you here? Why do you see a need to even explain yourself? Please, and I'm going to say this politely, do not patronize us. Do not patronize us, and do not believe that by saying you don't want to be like us, you've changed anything in us. You did nothing, basically. So as I land, do us a favor, take your anger, direct it where it matters the most, which is Zimbabwe, not here. If you are in Zimbabwe, glory be to God. Stay there, and not only that you must stay there, but stay there and focus in your affairs there, and leave us alone. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, host. Saban. I can just say Saban. Yeah, open panel, guys. You can continue.
I blocked
into ebuhlungu like now really nove waxhopha amagama wakho awufuna ugcotshwa a straight sidiscussa into zethu siyazixoxela zomndeni kufika umuntu uzosixhopha sikhulume zethu thina ne yethu le panel uyafika umuntu ubuya la buya khona uzongena indabeni zethu we're talking home affairs ezomndeni as a family ukuthi sazi ukuthi ubani ngubani wakuphi ungumni today is a day ukuthi sizithuthe sizichaze ukuthi singabobani njengoba ndingatsho futhi ndiphinde mina ndingumnu ixesibo nonzaba le kulamhlaba wase Eastern Cape so omnye nomnye unebeef nalonto leyo andizithutha makayapha yakhona yena mayengakwazi uzithutha.
Nova, are you looking for a response?
No, I'm not. I blocked it.
Okay.
Why is this thing still responding? I thought I blocked it. I don't have time for that thing called say.
Oh, now we're not.
I don't have time.
We're not blessing.
He's a mental retard that I will never devote my attention to.
Blessed ukhona wena kunini ngikudinga blessed Mkaya, are you there? Guys, am I audible?
Ufuna utsho mna khona yawo otebhulu
bengithi ngikhuluma nalo bengithi ngikhuluma nalo Mkhaya ublessed.
I know.
Ublessed ngathi akekho.
Okay.
Guys, bakula bathu. Uskaba entertainer. So ante bari here tribalism in South Africa.
Start and go on.
And bathu nandebo PG guys. He's just here to distract us. I think that's a kuluma. A constructive because manje bazoloku bathumela abantu abafana no yebo buti uthini
what I like us we have got these tribes that we have
guys can you please have one at a time so that we can all have a share. Thank you.
You can talk and ngizophendula lento eshoyo.
That we united as one against the enemy, which is apartheid government. Then we fought the apartheid and then we defeated it against the SEPAM. That's how strong we are. ngoku tribal bethu ukuthi sahlukene, we are different, but sahlangana under one banner, under into A1. We're having abo UTF, EAC, all the things, all the revolutionary forces were there. Sibe united under that apartheid thina. Ngelitshe sasingoyika imvubu thina nani nesibhamu. Itshe and umuntu besimchisa thina, impimpi besizitshisa nalaba bepan Africanism lizofika ixesha labo sitayari sineclass ngoba bazabe bedefenda into that is undefendable. Lizofika ixesha, we're gonna sort it out. You know, if South Africans once is united against the problem akubikho mnandi. Thina sazithanda inucleus abanye basazoyiqoka mabasithu benzeni, but anyway, we are going to win. Lizofika ixesha kube grand. Thank you.
That's barbaric. You think that's human? You always talk of fighting. What
You
kind
should
of
have,
people
you should have thought,
unprogressive?
wait, Jack.
A cake.
Jack, you should have thought of that during Kukurawundi. No, Kukurawundi is way too far. You should have thought of that when the Shona people were pillaging the Ndebele. As we speak, systematically segregating them, making sure that the Shona prevail. That is barbarism perpetuated by your own kind. Don't come here and speak at a moral high ground. What do you know about barbarism? You know it very well because of your people know it very well. They know how to demonstrate it systematically, and they also know how to actually showcase it politically. They know how to showcase it also through what? War. Am I wrong? Definitely not. So if you are going to lecture about barbarism, war, you are the last person to come here and speak about such things. Zimbabweans have this mentality of acting as though they have the moral stance to tell us about this is bad, this is bad. You did bad things to your own people without the contribution of South Africans. You pillage your own people unprovoked. Hey, what is happening? Kosazana is let me accept and see.
Yes, my man.
No, someone is requesting. I don't know if it's mistake or what, but I'm gonna milk this one. This okay. Let me Yes. As I'm about to land, and I'm gonna say this very politely. Jackie, fuck off. Simple. You're not going to tell us about violence while you destroy your own people. You're not gonna. I'm not interested in listening to you. You destroyed your own people. You destroyed your own economy. You subjected your very own people into dire strain. Your people are international offense because of what? Your messed up mentalities. If truly Zimbabweans were sound, Zimbabweans wouldn't be everywhere. They wouldn't be treated like this in the world. But the reason they are treated like this, it's simply because you guys are dead mentally. You have no mental stance. If you had a little bit of brain to use to think, you would be worried as to why are we scattered all over the world. Mute that mic. I'm not interested in hearing you. I'm not. But all I'm going to say is this. You guys are so messed up in a way that you are seeing your people being treated badly all over the world and you think you are victims. No, you are getting exactly what you deserve.
Mr. Host, PG ucela umnyusi animazi uthi manje ucelele kumnyusi data.
No, angifuni. PG is useless.
That.
These people, they will only crying because ukumbule i-government yabo ayibafuni. Bona self abafunani. South Africans as abasabafuni. So, like, it's a pain. Ukhuphule, South Africa was their last hope. And to show that abafunani, if kunenkinga back home, you guys, you must come together. Because remember, there are Zimbabweans back home that are still in Zimbabwe. They don't care about those people. Every day for himself. Well, understand? Because Habana Rato. So they will not come here and teach us about love, unity. Kona manje, guys, if mina say I got a job as a South African, I'll think about my brother's home, my sister's back home. Bona abasana ndaba. So bona as king, Zimbabweans, nama Nigeria, they are the same thing. If in Nigeria and Lipumile Nigeria, they don't care. Agasana ndaba. We South Nigerian, we what. So monga babuzo guti, what about the people that are still in Zimbabwe? You won't get an answer because abatandani. That's a fact. So bafuna
Remember, Kaya,
yeah.
I've been calling for you, and you remember on your life that Nigerian guy was saying they are using all sorts of magic to get the Mzungus to do what they want. If they want to marry, you can be the ugliest Nigerian. If you want the most handsome Mzungu, you use your juju. You use a juju and do your magic. So we don't want these people because they have magics that we don't have in this country. They have introduced things that we never knew existed. So omulomong hello it's abullo go hamai ising mo South Africa simo ba itutang o practice nonsense.
Who said your part? Sorry, Miss Colette, you are. I'm gonna let you speak. I just wanted to chip in and move back. The most saddest part, guys, you can go all over. I'm gonna talk about the place that I know. Cape Town, starting from Port Elizabeth, Plettenberg Bay, George, Knysna, Mossel Bay, up until Cape Town, Uzelap. In all of the hospitality industry, you go to your Spur, Ngabo, guys, Ngama Zimbabwe, even Nalape Albertine, Ngena Lape New Market, all of them, Ngayapa Spur, Ungenepi, Ngabo. You ask yourself, where are our people? Even if you go to, KFC, I'm not sure, I don't think KFC, but if you go to places like Spur, most of these restaurants, as far as Fishhook waterfront in Cape Town, the Ngabo, guys, hotels. So, and the other thing, this is what I wanted to say before I step down. You know, I realized that the government of Zimbabwe is also involved because they are making sure that they are giving them passport. They give them passport to live so that we can have enough economy.
Doctor, please wait. Sorry, Askis. Jack Creations. Jack Creations.
Yes. You
think you can come from wherever you come from and then disrespect the hosts, and that's fine. That's fine. Wait, let me ask you a question. I
am answering.
Wait, relax so I can quantify it and then you can answer. Have you ever, when and your people in your lives, nime esquereni nikhulume ne-government yenu the way thina sikwazi ukukhuluma ne-government yethu? We fight for our things and you think that you should be the beneficiary. You come from where you come from and undercut South Africans at the knees by getting paid slave wages that we would never wake up and work for. You undermine our fight against the same Mzungu that you kicked out of your country. We have found a way to build something here for ourselves, and you think that you have the right to come from wherever you come from and disrespect us because you are here for the money. Is Zimbabwe in a currency? Zimbabwe in a currency? Has there ever been a currency in Zimbabwe that works in the last 10 years, 20 years?
No one owns money.
Yeah, no one owns money, but we own this land. This is our land.
But Katela, as I was saying, so these people, guys, Habaratan, they don't love each other.
Nobody owns money. Everybody knows that nobody owns money. But do you think it makes sense for when Black South Africans are fighting for a minimum wage that they feel that they should deserve, and the people have been unalived for that minimum wage, where now nabangani bakho manibufika la nizothatha ukubhatala 10 times below minimum wage, and then you say that you are here for money, undermining the Black South Africans' fights for equality in this country, and then tomorrow it's the same people that stand there and tell us this is Mzungu controls you.
You can also go where you can,
no,
get
I
money.
don't want to go there. I don't want
the
to
world
go
is
there.
big.
Listen, I'm speaking. Wait, Awesome Pile. Firstly, there is no South African that will move here and go and undermine a Zimbabwean man's fight in Zimbabwe. If Zimbabwe is fighting their government a certain way, that is their right and their problem. Just kutaniko kutinzola. Ngoba nonke is scattered. Right, but you want to go. No South African will move from South Africa and go undermine your fight with your government by trying to worm their way in and be the tool that actually fights against the black man in South Africa who's fighting for their own rights. Nina niyafika nje 30,000 rand thina 25,000. Yinkinga yenu. But anyeke nihambe noyenza bese niyadelela. You know how to unalive police officers. You know how to hijack buildings in houses in Bryanston kube mnandi. Ihlale ngigcwalisa imikhukhu yenu eBryanston ngaphakathi. But then you're going to come here and tell us ukuthi isizela imali la. Destroying infrastructure. Why ke manzelele ningazele ema clinic? Why ningazele ema clinic wenu ke ema private hospital if mina nizoyenza imali la? Angithi nemali.
Yazini inkinga yabo labantu, inkinga yabo yindlala. Inkinga yabo yindlala. That's the problem. Babolawo kitlala these people.
Hi guys, hi morning everybody. I need to say something. I'm sorry that I interjected, but I want to speak to Jackie Creation. I've been reading your comments, my brother. Yes, it's Sunday morning, really. It's pantsy, umoya wethu pantsy. We're really not in a mood to really fight. But I'm realizing something with most of Zimbabweans since I've been in the comment sections. Can you mute House Blessing, please? Thank you. With all of you coming up, UPG came here. I was not on the platform, but I was in the comment section, and I wanted to tell host this person is not even South African. Low PG, low Luga Kulum. That's one. Two. Now you come in. You've been very insulting Guma comment, and you come here. You say Uguti Imali. Again, nobody owns money. You see, I need to correct that. I need to correct that very fast. Imali in a South African logo. Anything that is owned by this country, anything that is within the borders of South Africa, anything that has RSA on it is owned by the people of this country. You're getting it wrong. And I'll tell you where your sentiments come from. You see why we are fighting for this country. It's the very thing that you're doing right now. That you feel like you don't belong, you do not own. And when you go to other people's country, you are quick to point out how weak they are, how not owning of anything they are. You are telling the wrong people, not on this panel. We know who we are. We are the children of the natives of this world, of this country. We are the children of the people who fought the struggle. We are the children of those people who were unalived for this. You know why? They were unalived for these people that you see on this platform. Now, they fought for the rand that you're talking about. See, the reason you think nobody owns money is the same reason you said it in your, and I think Hannibal didn't get that. You said with your tone, it pass, what now you can go and go where is better. We don't want to do that. Don't come and sell that Japaring mentality here. We don't want to do that. We want to fight for this land that we were given to by God. I hope you understand that. And everything that is here in this country belongs to us. Now, because you do not have your forefathers who fought in your country, that made you leave your country, you want now to sell that idea as if it's the ideal idea. It's not, my brother. It's not. Because now what's happening is your children, as you feeling like the world is for everybody, it's not. You were given a certain section. That's why you're called Zimbabwean. That's your section. And if you fail there, even if you can have money everywhere else, you're a failure. You know why? That's the feeling deep down inside, and nobody can take it away. And that's what your children will grow up feeling as well, like people who don't have a belonging. So don't come here. Let's be honest with each other. Let's be honest. That's not a good thing to say that if you fail here, try next door. No. Let me tell you what my mom taught me, and I'm going to give this for free. It's an advice. My mom says that if ever God takes you back to wherever home that God takes you back, which is, if you believe heaven is, if I'm trying not to use the words that TikTok don't want, if ever in life comes to an end for you as a human being, and you never conquered in your life, make no mistakes, your children are carrying that as well. Your children are carrying it. It is your duty as a parent to overcome so that your children can have a platform to overcome where God has put you, which is Zimbabwe. If you fail in Zimbabwe, even if you can come and be successful here, it's not success. And I learned.
Wow. Siyabonga. Hey, good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Morning, King. Uti kuma comments Jake
I'm muted. Couldn't be nonsense.
Why are your people so, if you have money, why are your people so corrupt to the core? We'll deal with that.
You see, let me explain something about the data that is on my screen. Right. So the data that is on my screen is how the world, it's called Freedom House for those that want to look at it. It's how the world, economists and politicians and whatnot, they give input and they come up with data for freedom, global freedom and internet freedom in the world. So the first one, global freedom, where you see, this is your political freedoms and your civil freedoms viewed across the world based on your laws, But in 6 already, you can't speak against the government. You don't have a political power, you don't have economic power, you don't have anything. But today you want to come and tell South Africans that they have a corrupt government. When your government puts you on 26 out of 100 on a global scale, when they look at your civil liberties and they look at your political freedoms in your 100% owned country by black people, you are on 26. You see, when it comes to internet freedoms, it says partially free, 50%, which means there are keywords that you cannot say on the internet if you are in Zimbabwe without you being persecuted by the law that we are not free, and they want to come and tell us we don't own money and we have a corrupt government, when at a global glance this is how the world sees you. On a global glance, this is how the world sees you. And then you want to come and tell South Africans that their government is corrupt. I don't even want to bring up South Africa's data, because then you will see the complete difference between us. We were here discussing South African tribalism, the same way that you are veiling. So look at your data in the world first. before you come and tell us that we are not free and we have a corrupt government. When your government puts you 26 out of 100 on the global charter of testings for freedoms. And man. King George, let's hear you.
How's it, brother?
Sharp.
Yeah, siyabonga bhuti man, siyabonga. The way we addressing akhona, siyabonga nalama stats usibekele wona lapho bhuti, you know. Yeah, well, ngithande amanye amagama akhulunywe la uMphile. You know, I just fail to understand ukuthi how do you get an opportunity to stay and enjoy freedom to a foreign country and then end up giving yourself in a position to become a judge, a moral, like when ufuna ukujaja country yethu morally on how we behave and on how we were supposed to be behaving in our country. I just don't understand, Uti, where do these people get the nerve to do that? Because if ever they were so strong enough to deal with their issues from where they come from, then they were not supposed to be here. But now they are here to try and deal with us instead of sitting here and behave and enjoy the opportunity that they have here so that maybe, possibly, they can return back to their country and fix their country. As you said, these people, the state ebahleli kuso in terms of freedom, none. Like, you know, it is insane, my brother. I just don't understand. But yeah, thanks for the education, brother, as you are sharing here. It makes sense, and we are grateful.
All right, Sabama King George. Hey, fraud. Sorry. Nova.
Gets weirder and weirder.